If you are trying to grow your agency, I'm guaranteeing you that you are overcomplicating things. And let me explain. Look, I've grown my own agency from 0 to around 4 million in revenue per year. We did 13.4 million in the last 4 years. And it's so much easier right now for me to run this business. Simplicity is what I found is what helps you scale, while complexity will only grow your workload and your stress. It is so hard when you have an overcomplicated agency setup and you try to grow it. You will always try to grow it to the next level, and then something breaks and that causes a lot of stress. And most importantly, because when everything else is so complex in your business, it's so incredibly hard to diagnose what is causing all the problems and what is your current growth bottleneck. Because look at the theory of constraints. Whenever you want to grow your business to the next level and it doesn't work, like you hit a plateau and your revenues are stagnating or your profits are stagnating, there is always one problem, one bottleneck, or one constraint, in other words, that prevents your business from growing. And you need to find this one bottleneck and you need to fix it. If you cannot identify it, but you are trying to fix something, then you will just make things worse because you're trying to fix a problem that doesn't even exist. And this won't help you remove the bottleneck and grow your business to the next level. That's actually very dangerous, right? This will result in a business, let me show you, that looks like this, okay? Where like you grow your business and the only thing that happens is that the more work you get, the more clients you get, the more employees you get, right? The more you become the bottleneck. And the more your workload grows and the stress grows. But that's how most agencies grow their business, right? On the left side, for example, sales depends on them. They only win clients and leads when they go to networking events or when they sit at home hoping and praying that an existing client brings a referral. But that's totally unpredictable. Now, if you try to fix this by just adding more stuff to your business, by just adding more offers, adding more marketing channels, adding more things, hiring salespeople, right? All these random things that you do in order to try to fix your one bottleneck, it will never fix it. It won't help you grow. The only thing that will happen is that it grows your complexity and the chaos grows. And this business becomes incredibly hard to manage. And that's why so many agencies struggle. So many agency owners are stuck in the operations. They are stressed. They are working night and day. They have no time for their friends and family. And that's exactly where I was till 2018. I just hired more people, right? That's here on the right side. I just hired more people here to help me fix things. But the problem was not that I had not enough people. The problem was that I had too much chaos and no streamlined operations. The problem was that I was the bottleneck because I was the only person who was able to handle the chaos and manage all this complexity. Nobody else that I brought inside the business from outside, another new employee, no matter if it was just a person doing the work for clients, if it was a manager or even an operator or a COO, right? These people were not able to handle this business because it was so complex. Of course you can grow. Of course you can grow by adding more offers. Of course you can grow by adding more people. But you will significantly grow the dependencies on you, and you will significantly grow your workload and your stress, right? And if you don't have a clear mind, if you don't have a clear focus on what your business needs to grow to the next level, you will never achieve this. You will just die in endless workload. Let me tell you one story of a client I worked with. So he runs an SEO agency. And he actually started from 10K a month and he really quickly grew to 30K a month. But this didn't happen because he just added more services, right? He had just one SEO service and that's it. Very streamlined, clearly defined deliverables, and we work together to build his productized offer and his streamlined fulfillment process. He has grown a team and delegated work, and it was a real business. It was like a real machine. It worked like a well-oiled machine. He got clients in, he increased his prices 6 times, right? By the way, if you go to flashhub.io, you also see his case study. His name is Marius. And then he added more services. And that caused a lot of stress. And I saw this with many other businesses because the business owner thinks he needs to add more services because clients are asking for the services. And while this is a good sign that clients want more services from you because obviously they trust you and you delivered good quality work and that's why they want more, but growing means saying no more often than saying yes. If you are constantly saying yes to what clients want from you, then you're building a business based on what clients want. And while you should build a business that serves clients, you should not build a business that serves so many different clients with so many different needs, right? You should listen to your clients that have one specific problem, want one specific solution, or have a specific desire, and then solve this in a standardized way and make it better and better and better. You can eventually add an upsell. For example, if you work with them for the first, let's say 30 or 90 days, and you build a campaign, a website, social media channel, a funnel, whatever it is that you create, right? An SEO optimized web page. In the first place, now you can upsell to a retainer, which means you maximize the value for your clients, and so you maximize the revenue and the profits per client for your business. That's totally fine, because these people have the same things that you've built for them, and now you just maintain it, operate it, and improve it. While if you take any client who wants anything from you and you do social media here, and then you do SEO there, and you build funnels and campaigns, and you build websites, even custom development with 5 different content management systems, right? And then you do backlink building and social media management, and oh my God, your business will be so complex and your life as a business owner will be a nightmare. So how does a simplified, scalable business setup look like? And the answer is, well, it's pretty simple. It looks like this. Look, this is how it should be. Your productized service becomes the glue between sales of the business, which is required to grow revenues, and the service fulfillment side, which is required to make clients happy and to retain them and to keep them for a long time. And in best case, you are just working on your business as it is. You fix the sales funnel, you fix your offers, you fix your service fulfillment, right? You just work on this one thing and you make it better and better, right? You train your team better. You provide better quality standards in your fulfillment part so that people can operate the business without you, and all the knowledge of your brain is in the business. And on the other side, you improve like your marketing, your funnel, you tweak the messaging, and you improve the KPIs of your funnel so that you get leads cheaper, quality increases, and ultimately your cost per client closed, per deal closed, decreases. So you're winning clients at lower costs ongoingly because your marketing is more efficient. In the end, it's all about having linear processes in your business, right? From stranger to client, it's a linear process. The mechanism that helps you convert strangers into clients is called a funnel or a marketing campaign, call it as you want, right? And on the other side, the fulfillment should also be a linear process. But it cannot be a linear process, and it looks more like this if you have no clear defined offers and you are selling everything to anybody, right? But if you have these clearly defined offers, now your team works towards a specific goal. They know exactly what they need to deliver. Your clients have well set expectations, and also your team knows exactly what to do. Now you can create a linear process. Client onboarded to contract fulfilled, right? That's a linear process by just creating all these deliverables, the green boxes that you see here in this image. Okay, that's what you need to create in order to fulfill the contract and make your client happy. And how they do it should be a repeatable process, linear thing from Monday till Friday. They work on the deliverables, okay, and they just look at, is every deliverable assigned to a person who is responsible for delivering this work item or this task till Friday. So it's Monday till Friday, linear process, right? What they do is always a repeatable process. Just the details of every deliverable, like how the marketing strategy looks like, the content of the marketing strategy, the content of a website concept, the content of your ads, of a funnel, of an SEO optimized blog post. That's always different. But the structure and how it's created is always the same. So now you have a streamlined business because every process is a linear process, right? And it looks very clear. It's very easy to manage. It's very easy to operate. It's very easy to optimize. Now, if you have a business like this and you see, okay, we are not getting enough clients, our revenue is not growing, you can analyze this, right? You have funnel tracking, you look at your KPIs, and you see instantly where the weakest part in your funnel is. And then you can just effectively fix this, full focus on this one thing. And once the bottleneck is removed, your business will grow again. But that's not possible if you have a business that looks like this. Okay, you have no idea what's broken. You just know, oh, our revenues is not growing, so we need more clients. Well, but how do you get more clients? What's the problem? Don't you have enough visibility? Is your offer too weak? Don't you get your offer in front of the right people? Is your sales conversion rate too low? Is the initial contact to people become a lead ratio too low? What is it, right? You have no idea if you have no systems, if you have no structure, if your business is overcomplicated. So the point I want to make with this video for you is don't look at what you can add to grow your business to the next level. Look at what you can stop doing and what you can remove to simplify your business first, have 3 offers, and then build a streamlined service fulfillment. This will guaranteed give you a peace of mind. It will give you minimum 20 hours of your time back every single week. You can delegate your service fulfillment a lot easier. Right? I can write books about that. Eventually I should, I don't know. But if you want a book, leave a comment below on this page, on this below this video in a comment. But the main thing is really that simplification gets you an ease of mind and it makes growing your business so much easier. That's the formula to really growing to 100K, 200K, 300K revenue per month without feeling like you have to die at your desk because of being constantly in meetings and all that stuff, right? It's so hard if you have to work all day, day and night to improve your business. You cannot do it because you don't have the mental space, you don't have the time. How will you identify problems and fix them effectively? No way. But with the simplified business setup that you're seeing right now here, that is definitely what helps you scale, not just your revenues, but also your profit and your freedom. If you got some value from this and it helped you understand how you can simplify your business and grow a lot easier, more profitably, and with less work, I would appreciate if you give me a like and subscribe. I'm going to release 2 videos every single week helping you with advanced content to grow your agency or service-based business to the next level with systems instead of just relying on manual work. And yeah, if you have a special wish for another video, topic you're interested in, just leave a comment below this video and I will consider it for one of the next videos. Looking forward to the next video. Cheers and happy scaling.